Wow, my friends, this could actually be the end of Uber. Wow. You don't want to miss this video. Please, thumbs it up. It's a crazy day. So much going on today. But I want to check in with you guys and see how you're doing. Have you quit driving for Uber? Are you still driving for Uber? How much money are you making with Uber? Where are you driving? How many rides have you done? What's your rating? Tell me your secret social security number. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, guys, I want to thank our sponsor first, Current. Current is helping Uber and Lyft drivers and gig workers get paid up to 2 days faster. I signed up for Current. They pay 4% APY, so I'm already earning a massive amount of interest. As you can see, I put in $100 and I've almost made $1 so far. And yeah, you can sign up for Current. They do pay you money every time you fill up gas, which is super helpful with inflation and everything. But yeah, let's get started. So here's a new study on NASDAQ.com. Lyft is gaining Uber in many crucial areas. So Lyft could potentially be taking over Uber, and maybe this actually will be the end of Uber, because I know Uber is facing so many lawsuits. I don't know, maybe this could actually put Lyft over Uber. Listen to this. Ride sharing company, and I know Uber, there's so many drivers striking across the nation. Uber stock price is all the way down to $21, which is super low from a high of $60. So if you've been investing in Uber, if you bought in at 60, you put on $100, your money's now like $33. Yeah, not too good. But listen to this. Lyft has significantly increased its active rider base and revenue. Hence, it could be a solid investment in this bear market. Lyft's growth strategy has expanded into new markets and offered food delivery, bike sharing, and scooter sharing services. Some of those services that Uber has. This strategy has allowed Lyft to compete effectively with Uber, which operates in these sectors, but not as aggressively. So Lyft is acting more aggressively. Lyft operates in the US and Canada only. It has a delivery platform for its drivers to pick up food, retail products, and auto parts now for customers. Although Lyft does not have a dedicated food delivery option like Uber Eats, it nevertheless took advantage of the circumstances and streamlined its structure to become more efficient. Yeah, so I don't know, guys. Is this the end of Uber, and is Lyft taking over? Let me know your thoughts down below. And again, sign up for Current. If you want to get paid up to 2 days faster, for real, guys, this is legit. You can sign in with your Uber account here, get your earnings faster, and earn up to 4% APY on your money. Make a quick deposit, see how fast your money grows. After you do a few rides, throw in $5, $10 there. All of a sudden you have $1,000, and now you have a big savings account. So Current is actually saving people's financial lives. They're helping me. They can help you. Over 3 million people use Current. Use Current below. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.